Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look here at XRP on the daily time frame. As always, thank you very much for joining me. Please do make sure to like and subscribe and check back every day for new daily little videos where I'm just basically having a quick look at the charts for some of your favourite cryptos, so make sure you stay involved. Really appreciate all your support recently. The channel's starting to obviously come back now with the bull market looking like it's heading into play over the next year or so, so people are starting to come back and be interested in the content again. Very much appreciate your being here. So as you can see here, taking a look at XRP on the daily time frame, you could see obviously, as I said, for months and months and months, we were basically looking for a breakout of this bear market resistance. As I said, so much. And you can see very clearly here, we finally came up with that SEC case news. Got that very clean break all the way up to the 618 Fibonacci level. If you take a look here, you could see we hit the Fibonacci level at around, what did we get up to? Around 95 cents. And then obviously a big sell-off and correction, pretty much 100% retraced the entire pump to the upside, as you can quite clearly tell here. A big retrace after that huge move to the upside. You can see obviously we trickled all the way back down, came down, basically breakout back test of that key level that I talked about here. You can see the very clean break, come down, back test here, and again and again. Really very clear price action in my opinion. Not that difficult to discern really. If you could just draw a simple line of the chart, you can see it's just a simple break and retest. And now after back testing this level along with this very key 50 cent area where we were a stable coin for XRP for a number of months, weren't we? You can see obviously we've started to move recently with a lot of altcoins having a little bit of bullish momentum. People sniffing out the potential of that bull market on the horizon, and you can see obviously XRP here is no exception at all. Looking like we've basically finally broke up above this area where we've been stuck under for a good while at around that 55 to 60 cent area that we've been stuck here for a good while, which was that previous bull market support area. You can see we've now actually finally broken through this area. We came up to around, what was it, the next Fibonacci level at 75 cents, which I said was my technical target. We almost touched that, and now looking like we are kind of coiling up potentially for some continuation here for XRP. As I said, once you got that breakout back test, you would eventually come back up to where you basically got up to before at around that 95 cent level. And now XRP, very simply, just working those Fibonacci levels, isn't it? On the hourly time frame, you can see very clearly smashed that up towards that level there. Couldn't hold support here, retested resistance, support here, couldn't hold it, came all the way down here to find support at, guess what, another Fibonacci level, the 023 Fibonacci down here at around 45 cents. We bounce back up to the upside, going sideways for a little while, and then we start to work through the fibs here, breaking above, as you can see, resistance here, coming down now and basically looking like we are kind of coiling up for a potential move up or down. I do think, considering how the market is looking right now, we could see a bit more upside for XRP in the short term. But obviously if Bitcoin does correct, it will probably drag the rest of the market down with it. As you can see here, we could see ourselves heading back down towards 60 cents or so for XRP if we move to the downside. But heading up back to that 75 cent level and then that 95 cent level. Pretty key and fairly obvious targets to me, to be honest. Just draw your fibs on, draw a few of your trend lines, resistances, supports, and then you'll probably be looking at, 95% of the time, those are the areas that you will be targeting. So as always guys, thank you very much for watching. Really appreciate all your support on the channel as always. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.